If you haven't heard the news yet, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna is coming to the Bahamas, and I, courtesy of John Bull, was invited to join the Fenty Fam. So I'm here to tell you all about some of the goodies they gifted us with in advance of the launch later on in October. So John Bull invited me to pick up this Fenty Tote, which is really cute. I don't know if you can see some of the like graffiti art. The Fenty Beauty Tote, which contains some of the goodies. So I'm going to give you the lowdown on some of them. Some of you have probably already used these products. I have only used probably one Fenty Beauty product, so I'm really excited to try these out. In the goodie bag, they say, "Hey boo, Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, and Fenty Fragrance are coming in hot on October 23rd exclusively at John Bull Bay Street. And we're thrilled that you get to experience some of our must-have faves before anyone else." I'm really excited about that also. So also in October, they're going to have a virtual sip and snatch masterclass with global makeup artist Priscilla Ono. So no matter where we are, we'll all come together to sip and snatch and learn the latest tips and tricks when it comes to getting that gorgeous face. And then later on, when it comes to the actual launch, I'm going to get my foundation matched. Usually I just eyeball it and take a guess, or like try the inside of my wrist or along my jawline to find out which shade I am, but I'm going to get professionally matched with the Fenty Beauty to see which shade I am. So now let's take a look at what everything is in the bag. The Total Cleanser, hella thick volumizing mascara. This is in the shade "Cause I'm Black." Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. It says instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. That's exactly what I need. Conditioning lip oil in Cherry Treat. Cherry Treat Conditioning Lip Oil. Fenty Skin. Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Fussy. Fenty Beauty Invisimatte in Universal, the Universal shade. And this is going to be great for instant setting and blotting. Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. Wow. This is going to be in the shades Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. Traced Out Pencil Lip Liner in the shade the MVP. That sounds good. That sounds really exciting. Oh, and there's another one. Ooh, this one looks pretty. Traced Out Pencil Lip Liner in the shade Satin Panty. So I will do another video where I swatch some of the beauty items and then also possibly skincare, because it's been a while since I've updated anyone on what's been going on with my face. So that is also coming up. But make sure you like this video, you follow John Bull, Fenty Skin, Fenty Beauty, and hashtag Fenty Caribbean, because thank goodness they finally brought the Island Gals beauty to the islands. So if you have any questions, just let me know. If you already have a favorite Fenty Skin or Fenty Beauty product that you love, please let me know, because I'd love to try it out. I do have oily skin, I deal with acne, I also have aging skin, but we're all here for the beauty. And now I have this cute tote to take to the beach.